Hey everyone, my name is Cassie and I'm the founder of FATCO. So if you've made your way to this video, you likely are interested in trying our shampoo and conditioner bars. Maybe you've bought them already, but you have no idea how to use them. I've been meaning to put together this tutorial for a really long time. It's just been hard to find the time and get the setup and everything, but I'm so excited to finally be putting this video onto YouTube. So if you're anything like me, you're probably thinking like, how am I gonna wash my hair with a bar? It probably feels weird. It probably feels maybe a little overwhelming. Like how, I think we all are so used to our regular shampoo and conditioner that comes in a liquid or a gel, that the thought of using like a bar feels really odd and strange. So, I want to tell you that these new products, I am officially obsessed with these two new products. I have, as you can see, I have really long, thick hair. The underneath texture is a little bit more coarse than the top is. So before we developed these products, I had a shampoo and conditioner that I liked. It was good enough, but I didn't really love how it made my hair feel. And I am not exaggerating when I tell you that when I tried the first samples that we got of these products, I loved them. They make my hair feel moisturized and no issues combing through, like no knots. They make it feel sleek. And I'm also a person that will usually go like 3 to 4 days, sometimes 5 days between washings. And I find that I can go longer between washings and my hair continues to feel clean. Like it just feels clean. So if you're like me, in the beginning, you were probably not really sure how to use a bar shampoo and conditioner. So I wanted to make a video. I'm gonna jump super outside of my comfort zone. I'm gonna throw on a bathing suit. I'm gonna hop in my shower and I'm gonna show you exactly how I use our shampoo and conditioner bars. So here we go. Okay, the first step is to wet your hair thoroughly. You want it to be nice and wet. Step 2 is to wash your hair. So you're gonna take your shampoo bar out of the container, and the way you want to distribute the product is by running the bar along your scalp line. So you can see in the video, this is the method I like to use. I like to start with the center part. I like to rub the bar along the scalp line, move down one side of my head about an inch, and continue that process all the way down. And then I will continue the same process on the other side of my head. I also like to continue the same process along the back of my head. So you're essentially taking the bar and rubbing it along the scalp line to distribute the product along your scalp. When washing your hair, you really want to focus on your roots and not so much on the ends. As you can see, this isn't going to lather like any other shampoo that you've probably used in the past, but that's not a big deal because you really don't need it to lather in order to wash your hair, but it will feel a little bit sudsy. What I like to do is grab a little bit of water and put it into my hair to help the foaming along. So next you're going to want to rinse your hair. You want to rinse all of that shampoo thoroughly out of your hair. This can be done with warm water. The next step is you want to condition your hair. So you're going to take your conditioner bar out of the container. And when it comes to the conditioner, you really want to focus the conditioner on the ends of your hair, not so much on the roots. It can get on the roots, but you don't want the focus to be on the roots. So you can see in the video, this is the method that I prefer. I will have a center part in my hair. I will run the bar through my hair as I'm kind of putting my other hand along the back of it. The idea is you want to distribute the product on the bottom of your hair. Next, you want to rinse. When rinsing the conditioner, you want to rinse with cold water. It's going to really help seal the cuticle of your hair, and it's going to help your hair be healthier in the long run. You want to rinse all the product out. Sometimes I'll leave a little bit in, just if I want it to feel really extra silky smooth. And that is it. That's how to use our shampoo and conditioner bars.